Mountains crumble, rivers dry, stars will fall from the open sky, but your name stays steady, your light stays true. Only Allah remains through the storms, through the flames. Only Allah remains in my heart, in my veins. In my veins. The wind may howl, the earth may shake, the world may bend, the seas may break, but I hold to you, I bow to you. No wealth, no crown, no fleeting pride, only you